Thank you, Honorable Deputy Chairman. I thank Amma. Please listen to me. Kashmir, beautiful Kashmir. Kashmir, wonderful Kashmir. This is a very popular song in one of the films acted by Dr. Puratchi Thalaivar MGR. I again repeat it. Kashmir, beautiful Kashmir. Kashmir, wonderful Kashmir. I would like to inform this August House.
You cite it in full. You cite it in full.
My senior colleague Maitreyan will cite it fully.
I can allow him if he is ready.
So the songs.
Maitreyan, do you like to try?
That is yes. I leave to his option.
Okay.
So the Tamil films are very popular, which are acted by MGR or any other actors, but shooting should have taken place only in Kashmir. In the background of the Kashmir, any film is taken that is very popular in Tamil Nadu. In English, but I don't want to waste that reading all the stanza, because I would like to make it very clear. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, India is one.
Very good.
I too belong to Kashmir. Kashmir belongs to me. I want to reveal one secret. A product in English that is called saffron. I came to know it because in Tamil we call it korosane. That is from Kashmir. Every woman, pregnant woman, is being given because they want to get a beautiful child. So that product from Kashmir is given to each and every pregnant woman in Tamil Nadu. My mother had it, my daughter-in-law had it, definitely my granddaughter will have it. So I belong to Kashmir. I am proud to say it. After seeing the films taken in Kashmir, I wanted to visit Kashmir. That was materialized when I was in the Service Commission. Thanks to Honorable Chief Minister Amma. Only because of her I am able to visit. So then, as a state guest, I visited many places, temples, and then I was provided with very good food. I enjoyed very much. After seeing the agricultural lands, because I belong to Tanjavur, Kaveri Passion, I was under the wrong notion that Tanjavur is the only fertile land. But I changed my view after seeing the lands in Kashmir. And also, the people in Kashmir are very nice people. I can very boldly quote our leader of opposition and the senior leader, Karan Singh, Mr. Karan Singh, because really they are exhibiting real concern for the development of the Tamil Nadu. No doubt about it. Mr. Karan Singh knows each and every part of Tamil Nadu, and also the culture and social fabric, everything he knows it. And also, I thank, this is a good opportunity for me, I thank the leader of opposition, Mr. Ghulam Nabi Azad, and Mr. Karan Singh, because they have real concern for the people of Tamil Nadu when our Amma was undergoing some trouble. So, I thank them. So now, in India, everybody feels that we belong to everywhere in India. There is no difference. When I was a student, while studying in AVVM Pundi College, we used to start from Tanjavur, Punnenallur, Mariamman Goil, Nagur Dargah, and Velanganni Church. We pray all the church, mosque, temples. There is no, as rightly pointed out by Professor Ramgopal Yadav, among the people there is no difference. Some mistake is lying elsewhere. So my humble submission would be to this August House that where is the problem? Really, you must find it out and remove the problem. That is the only solution. And also, Honorable Chief Minister Amma is known for maintaining our integrity of India. So I urge this August House that the people of Kashmir loving Tamil Nadu, I played a role of the host for more than 15 judges and their families when they visited Chennai as Advocate General. And they wanted to visit Marina Beach, Mamallapuram, Pondicherry. They are fond of seeing the sea. And I arranged all the tour. And they are all very happy. They are in touch with me. And also from Chennai High Court, 2 judges. One of them is the Chief Justice, another one is the senior most judge. So because there is no difference between Tamil Nadu and the Kashmir. Now the people, Tamil Nadu people wants a peaceful, beautiful Kashmir. That is our intention of our Honorable Chief Minister Amma. I pray God that the terrorism was put an end to in Kashmir. I thank you one and all for giving opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Very patriotic and emotional. Good.